Me tight as fuck. Turn up. Turn the light off, Dez. Turn it down. Hey, you roll up. You roll up for the boys? For the squad? No, that's Ty job right now. Hey, chill out. Yeah, if I can.
Applied by Plexus. Hey yo, what's this? What's that? Hold on, but look at Erik, he's disrespecting us today. Yo, where's the CTP merch?
No capping, if you broke don't want them 2 brackets. When mom and dad money brought up on them and I saw that dollar street go.
Who gives a fuck, nigga?
How the fuck do you zoom in this bitch?
Como dice pinche Lalo. Rawr. Here, fool. You need to get sponsored by
Go ahead, he's the fucking
Since you the
alcoholic.
man.
He's the frat boy.
Since
He's
you the nigga
frat
with the
boy.
plan, bro.
Bro, we gotta stop giving Benny alcohol. He get too violent.
Nah, I don't get violent though, bro. I just like, you know what I mean?
He gets fun.
Alright, so you release a little gas.
Let's do that. You release it.
That's it.
No.
Oh, so you
come on,
bro, what?
Take a break.
This nigga, it was his idea. He don't even get the rules right.
Dang.
so long.
By
You
the
gotta do
grace
it.
of God, I'm not an alcoholic.
You
so
gotta
I
do it
don't know.
again. You gotta do.
So what? You just make the hole.
No. You have to make it right here, right by this. So hold it like that already with this hand.
Yeah. And then you make the hole.
Just go like this.
Uh-huh.
You crack it open and then you click this, and then you chug. Yep.
No se puede, no se puede.
Nah, bro.
CTP failed attempts at shotgun.
Chug it.
For Mexico's loss yesterday.
Fuck.
Oh yeah, they lost, bro, to Colombia.
Yeah, I knew they were gonna lose.
That's sad, bro.
It was expected.
Wow.
So how Benny said, you let off a little bit of gases into it,
Don't do that, bro.
Why not?
Just do straight pressurized.
so it could pop in my face. You're a funny guy, huh?
Just do it, bro, so he can see that why it's not the right way to do it.
Stand back.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
he's
already
out.
25% of your beer gone.
This man, didn't
That's
you
25
fuck
cent
up like
beer.
terribly on the first time you
I
tried
couldn't
it?
chug it because I don't drink like that, bro.
It's too small to effectively
Damn,
chug.
bro, why you sucking like that, bro? Alright, bro. Quit judging me, bro. Let's see what's up with you, bro.
Nah, you're right. I should have cracked it a little bit.
Oh, now it's right. Now it's right. Now it's right.
Nah, bro, no.
There you go. I think.
All right, come on.
Get the chugging.
Bro just threw out 50%.
50% more conscious.
Alright, Gio's turn.
A little bit of gas. Let me see. There you
Oh,
go.
that was nice.
Okay, a little bit of that.
You're letting a little drip come out.
Spilling now.
Yeah. That wasn't nice at all.
Bitch.
know how to do
Hold on.
Bro. Look. It's
I
like,
seen
yeah.
it.
Bitches down into it?
Yeah, bitch. This one's like extra
Alright, bro.
strong,
No, I'm not even gonna help you no more. Fuck you.
Damn, fuck you then. I'm gonna just chug this whole. Man, take your keys back.
Bro, you're gonna pick those up, bro.
Take your keys back.
Yeah, buddy.
You
What,
got my
bitch?
lighter, Benny?
Well, move on to the next one, bro. What the fuck?
You're the last one.
That shit's crazy.
Good on them.
Man, what that shit do to you?
Bro cannot help with this spit. At least 300 times an hour.
Bro, I have a like an excess buildup of mucus every fucking hour, pretty much.
I love it, bro.
No, I was born with asthma,
What do you
bro.
think explains
How
it?
do you know that?
I had asthma. I used to use an inhaler. Yeah, but I stopped using it because I don't believe in that, bro.
I plead the fifth.
Why are you laughing, bro?
Stop smoking, bro. That's bad for you.
What's wrong with Captain McGee?
I don't use my asthma pump because I don't believe in that shit.
What's your biggest fear?
My biggest fear. Damn. I guess like the same one that broke boy has, like being broke my whole life.
For real?
Yeah, like if.
Why does that scare you?
Let's do it like this. Let's say it like this. I got a fear of not being successful.
I feel that. I feel that. Same thing?
Nah. I'm scared of having a kid with the wrong girl. That's scary.
That is
That bitch
scary.
can make your life a living hell, bro.
That is scary, bro.
That's scary, though.
Yeah, but I mean, I feel like you gotta really just put effort into knowing the bitch. You feel me?
But sometimes you can know the bitch and she'll still switch up.
You're right. That is the point too. Just get you a girl from the mountains, bro.
Well, I'm gonna go to a rancho and give me a girlfriend. For real.
Shout out to our sponsor, Modelo. What's your biggest fear?
What's my biggest fear?
Yo.
My biggest fear is
What the fuck? Yeah, his biggest fear is
not finding something that makes me happy in life and having to live a depressing, repetitive, terrible life where I have to wake up and go to work and I hate my life. That would be a terrible thing. That's my biggest fear.
What's your biggest fear, bro?
Probably wasting this life.
Dude, I said the same thing. I said like not finding something repetitive, depressing life cycle.
Oh, but you wrote a whole fucking essay.
Well, because I'm a poet and you're not.
Probably wasting this life. Becoming the disappointment that the people around me think I'd become. Don't do drugs. Go to school. Or not. You don't have to go to school anymore.
These days.
Actually, don't go to school. Fuck
These days,
school.
you don't have to go to school.
Just get on TikTok.
What you doing?
Why y'all look so stupid, bruh? Both of y'all look like idiots. Why y'all wearing Georgia State, Rod? Print out the flyers, Rod. Look at how it is to be horrible at social school. The man looks like an idiot. Why does he have a helmet on?
Benny, tell him why you're dressed up.
Shit, well, see, one thing we don't realize is there's so many dangers out in the world in today's day and age that we need people like me to make sure that everything is safe. That's why I got the safety vest.
I'm good, I'm coming over, found a message in my brother, your son is coming up, by the bill, by ill, by bull, what you already saying, you ain't nothing but a baby, your fear is growing up, listen here,
1 year ago, I performed here for the first time. Known him since middle school. He said, "Hey, you want to perform?" I said, "Fuck yeah." A year ago, literally a year today, bro. We're doing this. That shit's bigger. You'll see the difference. Maybe in 2 years,
Simple math.
it'll be even bigger than that.
If you ain't here, you a fucking square, nigga. This shit gonna get lit right now. Capture the people shit. Stop playing with us.